vlogs are back. The vlogs are back. The vlogs are back. The vlogs are back. Hey, hey. We finna go to Target. Alright, y'all, so went to Target or whatever, and we picked up more than we needed.
$100 worth of,
you know, I went to Target so I can get cleaning supplies, but of course, hold on, let me check out this. So they put out more of these little bowls and plates, and y'all, this is the cutest house essential and cheapest house essential you need. And I thought these colors were super cute. They were only 79 cents Target. And then I got this lint roller, especially for my couch, because my dog be on my couch and you just need to keep it looking right. And I got these plug-ins. We got this Dawn Platinum Power Wash. You got the apple scent. Of course, we got this because you can put the soap in there and then wash. Got another toilet bowl because we needed this. Some dry sheet stuff for our kitchen floors because they need to be done. This is definitely needed. Oh, can't go wrong with chloride foamer though, so I like foamy stuff. I feel like it just cleans better than regular stuff, so I got the foam. I got me some more body wash. Y'all know I already put y'all on some browners, but I got like a new, is it another scent, or I don't know if it's another scent. I needed some of this, so I got some. I bought this hand soap and I thought it was so cute, and I thought this was really cute. It's room spray and it smells good, and I could not resist not getting this cute 3-wick candle. It smells so good. You don't think it'll go with it right there with the plant?
I'm just playing, babe.
Oh, I didn't want to go for real. That's it. We about to start cleaning up because this house is a mess for real. Like, we're finna get cleaning. Stay tuned. Cleaning yesterday, so I'm finishing up today. So as you can see, I have to fold up towels, fold up clothes, hang up clothes, and that's what I'm going to be doing this morning while watching Judah. So yeah. My goodness. And with the living room, I'm not sure if I shared this with y'all, but I'm starting like a memory wall in my living room, and I haven't finished it because I have to print out more pictures, but this is just the start of it. And you already know my studio / office is not yet done. I'm still waiting on my desk, but I got this all together. I finally put all the stuff in these containers, so yeah. I'm putting in things that I don't want anymore, and I still have to go through all of these clothes, so wish me luck. I washed this rug here. I don't know if I showed you guys my new shower curtain, but this is it. Put this picture in because I felt it would go with it best. Here I found some I seen some like towel decor that'll go here in Home Goods. I just gotta go back and get it, and then it'll be the finishing touch. And of course, I told you guys I bought this for the bathroom, and it's so cute. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. He's so handsome. Where you going? or bleep it out.
Back at it again with another one. You know, this is your girl T Nasty, True Pink. Timmy. Oh, Timmy. Yeah.